It's getting me down. Why doesn't somebody come and capture us? Where is everybody?
Maybe it's a holiday.
Why don't they come out and fight?
Fight?
I know they've declared New York an open city.
I think we should go back to the ship and wait.
Wait for what?
Just wait.
Oh, come on.
It's you. Your mare's got rusty in the rain.
Germ warfare.
Since when have there been sticky germs? Chewing gum. Germ warfare.
Why don't we